Hello, hi, and welcome to day 12 of the 90-day meditation challenge. Thank you so much for joining me. And we're nearing the end of week 2, where we have been doing positive affirmations. In the book that I shared with you yesterday from Sura Flow, Sura was saying that positive affirmations can be used for healing. And last week we did some focused awareness meditations, which by now you'll be able to confidently give a guided meditation for yourself. So let's do a guided meditation now. We'll do a short one, counting back from 3 to 1. I'm going to say breathe in calm and breathe out peace. Right. If you like, you may close your eyes. 3. Breathe in calm. Breathe out peace. 2. Breathe in calm. Breathe out peace. 1. Breathe in calm. Breathe out peace. And as we go into our day, we will take this opportunity now to set our intentions for the rest of the day, moving into the night and beyond to tomorrow. And this brings our meditation to a close. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now, if you have time, take this opportunity to get a pen and paper and write down 3 things that you are grateful for. Recall something that might have happened today or yesterday or this week, or just open your eyes now and look around you. Is there anything that you like the look of? Is there anything that you like? For example, I'm sitting here in a field of bluebells, so I could say I'm grateful for the beautiful bluebells. I'm grateful for the shelter from the sun with the trees. And then list 3 positive affirmations for yourself. So what are 3 things that you want to affirm for yourself? And if you have some pen and paper, write them down now. I shall see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow for day 13 of the meditation challenge.